I really enjoyed the overall process of creating the System Center 2012 Configuration Manager course. I really liked about learning what's new about Configuration Manager, seeing how it can help IT departments streamline their operations, maybe help CIOs task their staff better, more efficiently, so they can meet real business problems. So the System Center, Configuration Manager is a really great, powerful product. It takes a little bit of time to learn, but once it's there, it can really be a huge benefit to IT departments, and I really hope that the course helps people get it up and running quickly. There's lots of tools that'll do what Configuration Manager does, but Configuration Manager brings it all into one place. What it really does is it allows them to push applications out to desktops. There's no more having to run around to computers. There's no more having to email users and say, okay, now upgrade Office by going here and doing this and that and the other thing. It's all one-click kind of stuff to the end user, from the end user perspective, which is really what's key. You want a good end user experience. And it brings into the Configuration Manager realm all of the forefront client side of things. So malware, anti-malware software is now a cornerstone part of the Configuration Manager product, where it was sort of a bolt-on in older versions. It also provides a way to do operating system deployments. So basically all one tool can sort of be a one-stop shop for IT departments from desktop management. If I had to pick one thing that I'm really excited about at VMworld, after getting to meet Brent Spiner, data from Star Trek The Next Generation, it would be some of the things I've seen around IT simplicity. And that includes things like a new company called Simplivity, who just rolled out, they announced at VMworld, basically a single box that includes storage, the vSphere software, the compute side, RAM, deduplication, and all kinds of things that are necessary to run a data center. So from a simplification perspective, honestly, the Simplivity name kind of speaks to that. You can get rid of a lot of hardware and replace it with just a little bit. Now, they're just launched here at VMworld, so that really the proof will be in the details once they start getting real customers out there. But those kind of efforts are really exciting to me because they really take the guesswork out of IT as a whole. My favorite worst technology ever, I hate to say it because I like the company, but it's Camtasia. With Train Signal, I use Camtasia a lot. If it would just stop crashing, I would be so happy. I can't tell you how much work I've lost in Camtasia and how much stuff I've had to redo over the years because it just is not a stable product. I wish it was, but it isn't. And I've tried it on lots of different pieces of hardware. It's not hardware, it's the software. I hate to say it, they gotta fix it. But the other products they've got, like Snagit, are fantastic. I use that on both my Mac and my Windows machine, and it's just a great tool for capturing screenshots and things like that. But the screen recording piece, they need to do some work and stabilize that product. I left my full-time job last November. I was a CIO for a college, and I spent 10 years in IT management, and decided it was time to go off on my own for a while and see what's out there. I'm doing a lot of consulting these days. I'm doing a lot of work with Train Signal, which I've been working with Train Signal since 2007, which is hard to believe. And I'm doing a lot of work with companies like Wikibon, doing analytical work, TechTarget blogging, or TechTarget, Tech Republic blogging. And so I'm really kind of running the gamut. I'm doing course creation, which actually is helping with some of my consulting work. I'm actually going to be doing a Configuration Manager deployment for a client at the end of September. And I'm doing other kinds of consulting, strategic IT consulting for colleges, universities, and small businesses. Enterprise project planning. I just got finished designing a 10,000-seat Exchange environment, which was kind of fun. The System Center stuff that I'll be doing for the same client, and everything else. And just I've been having a good time. I'm less stressed. I'm happier, and I got to spend the summer with my kids. It was just awesome. So this working for myself thing. Obviously I work for other people, but it's really been enjoyable.